Okay, this video, one of the many solutions or reasons for an S550 Mustang to get misfire codes. So 2017 GT. It was thrown codes P0300, which is random misfire, and P0308, which is misfire on cylinder 8. I started out by replacing all the spark plugs, and that didn't do anything. Replaced all the coil packs with brand new ones, and that didn't do anything. Took it to Lithia Ford in Fresno. They held it all day and didn't even make an attempt to check the code. Literally just had it sit for me all day long, so that was great. Then made an appointment at Future Ford of Clovis today and was told after getting an appointment that they don't do diagnostic work on the weekends and to come back in a few days. So that was also really useless. So I decided to pull off the intake manifold. I hear a lot about intake manifold breaking, the IMRC flaps breaking off or something like that. So I wanted to take it off. It wasn't too bad to do, and see if I could figure out for myself what's going on. So we got off the intake manifold. There it is. Decided to look at the injectors, clean them off. They looked fine, although that could have been one of the problems. The biggest concern was the flaps. So I come over here and I look into the runners, and in the runner you will see, you can see the edge of that flap, that curved deal in there. It lays flat, so when you're wide open throttle, you get full airflow. And then at lower RPMs, I think it's under 3250 or so, they close, and that restricts airflow, saves gas, gives more torque, whatever. And the normal working ones would do like this. So we got the little solenoid or actuator over here, and when it's pressed, the flaps open and close. And then you look over on the driver's side, which is cylinders 5 through 8, and when I was pressing down on that, they did nothing. The rod would turn, so it seemed, but the flaps would go nowhere. So that tells me right there that when they're activated, it's not doing anything, and that's obviously where the code's coming from. So some of you may have this issue, these misfire codes, and this could be one of the many reasons for it. It seems like a lot of people on the internet talk about this being a problem, so wouldn't be surprised if the majority of the misfires on the 2011 through 17 that this is the reason why. So I pulled off the actuator to take a look at it, and inside there you'll see the shaft, and it's jagged, which means it was broken off. So for some reason that shaft is really weak, and it's breaking off inside of this piece here, and I'm not sure if or how you can even replace that. I'm gonna try to pull the shaft out, see if it comes out, and if you can even find one to put back in there, but I'm thinking not. So I'll probably have to go on eBay, buy a used intake manifold with the actuators attached. You can find these things used in working condition for cheap. I mean, anywhere from 50 to 150 bucks. So I think I'm gonna opt for that rather than putting it back together, taking it to the dealer, because what they're gonna do is do a software reprogram, and that won't do anything. They'll bring it back, and they'll probably look at injectors and stuff and claim they fixed it, and then that won't work. And then I'll probably have to go back a third, fourth, fifth time before they actually look at this. Even if I were to show them this video, they probably won't do anything about it. So yeah, I'd rather just be out 100 and something bucks and just get it done the right way, and not risk, you know, the lazy dealers messing anything up any further. So yeah, if you're having misfire codes in your S550, this is a large possibility for you. So I hope this helps out other people. Later.